So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to book a flight with Klarna. So first, you need to access your web browser for you to able to go to a Klarna approved travel site. Like for example, the travel app. Let's go to the travel app website, and once you click on that, you'll be able to book a flight on this website, and make sure that you are going to select its payment method into Klarna. So for example, you're leaving from London and you're going to a different country, which is here. Once you select that, you must select your departure date and your return date as well if you are booking for a round trip. So after that, you must click the search button for you to able to search for flights, and then just wait until it loads. So basically, after you wait or after you check out, you will see on the checkout page that you book a flight but select it on a payment method with Klarna. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.